Hi friends, grab a paper, let's draw a dreidel. Make a line like that, make a line like this, make another line like that, connect these lines with a curved line like this, and like that from the other side, the bottom of the dreidel. Just making these lines a little darker. Show where the dreidel is 3D. Give it that angle right there. There's the top of the dreidel where you spin it. Some very minor shading. And we'll draw some Hebrew language on there. I forget what these mean. I was raised with dreidels and they were all over my house, and I do not remember these words. They have positive meanings, I know that. I think it's time to color. Gonna go blue and red. Very Hanukkah colors. I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel, I shall play. Oh dreidel, 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 I made you out of clay, and when you're dry and ready, oh dreidel, we shall